Dear Bebe, happy anniversary. This is it. Thank you for making my dream wedding come true.
When forever comes tomorrow.
Kasi sa totoo naman, ang Diyos ang nag-partner sa inyo eh. Yun naman ang totoo. Kaya siguro, bilang pasasalamat sa Diyos, pagsunod sa kanyang kalooban bilang mag-asawa, ang ganda rin umarap sa altar na sasabihin mo, yes, ibibigay kong 100% na pagmamahal ko sa iyo.
When forever comes tomorrow. What has been will always be.
We're both teaching kasi in SAI College, Global City. And it's kind of a forbidden love.
Meron kaming both relationship at that time. And yun nga, natagpuan namin yung isa't isa.
So let the world grow in a garden. Hear me now and know the truth. Hear the beat.
Bumaba kami noon, nasa mini-stop kami, tapos tumugtog yung I'm Yours. Sabi ko, ang ganda nung kanta, nung title niyan. Tapos hindi siya sumagot. Tapos nung nasa condo na ako, sabi ko, problematic ako noon. Nagulat ako, bigla niyang pinatugtog yung laptop ko ng I'm Yours. Sabi ko, paano nangyari yun? Tapos pumatak na lang yung luha ko. And I realized na in love na pala ako sa kanya.
And then from there, we started going out for about 5-6 months. Tapos yun, parang we decided na to stay together.
Yan. So ngayon, Pete, halikan mo na ang asawa mo. Ay,
Yung past relationship ko, I was like a princess. Pero sabi ko, princess nga ako, but hindi naman ako happy. Pero nung na-meet ko na si Sherwin, hindi man ako princess at first, pero ngayon, nakikita ko talaga na he tried his best na maging princess ako sa, yung parang maibalik niya yung dati kong life.
What I can promise you and my vow to you is I will dedicate my time, the rest of my time with you up until I die. To you and to our family.
It's always you. Always been you. It's always you. It's always you. Always been you. When forever comes tomorrow. What has been will always be. Time again, my darling. You're
Siya, problematic din siya sa relationship niya. Medyo isa ako sa mga naging pinaglalabasan niya ng sama ng loob. So, advice. Kaya, yun, kahit pa paano, nahulog.
I don't really like him kasi iba yung type ko eh. Maarte ako. Gusto ko maputi. Masyado mataas ang standard. But I didn't realize that I will fall in love with him.
sa bawat isa yung kagandahan man o kahinaan, sana lalo pang magpatibay na inyong pagmamahal. Yun naman ho, kaya kayo narito. Sino pa ba? Ito na ang una at huling babae sa buhay mo, di ba, Pete? At si Tang naman, ang una at huling babae sa buhay mo. Ayun na yun. Okay na yun.
close my eyes to sleep, I will find you in my dreams for the rest of my life. Oh, time after time.
Actually, nakakatawa nga eh kasi ang una ko tanong sa kanya, are you willing to get married? I just want to have kids. Okay ka doon? Sabi niya, okay, go ako doon. Kasi nga, yung pareho namin partners, ayaw pa nila mag-settle. Eh kami gusto ko na mag-baby, parang I'm not getting younger anymore.
My age gusto ko nang mag-asawa, magpamilya. Kasi parang ang hirap iplano ng mga susunod na steps sa buhay hanggat hindi mo pa na-establish yung core. So kaya yun, parang yung pagdating niya sa buhay ko is something that I needed at that time.
So, answered prayer siya.
Bebe, see you later. I'll be the man dressed in gray. Kita tayo sa simbahan. I love you.
Love you till the end. Every moment breathing in, just to have you by my side. Oh, time after time, when I close my eyes to sleep, I will find you in my dreams for the rest of my life. Oh, time after time. Oh, time after time. Time after time. Oh, time after time. Time after time.
You are my answered prayer and will always be my love, my best friend, my forever. I love you so much. Love, Bebe.